Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Audacity to record and edit your audio step by step, perfect for beginners, whether you are recording podcasts, YouTube voiceovers, or music. Audacity is an amazing feature, amazing free tool. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Now let's jump right into it. First of all, if you don't have Audacity installed yet, head over to audacityteam.org or search for Audacity. Then click the first link. Then download Audacity. Click on that. Then save. Now install it like any other app. Just run it as administrator and then click free. Now your Audacity will downloading like that. Then click yes. Then click launch. Now accept and continue. Don't show this again. Then click OK. And once you open Audacity, the first thing you need to do is set up your microphone. At the top, you'll see an input device drop down. Make sure the correct microphone is selected. For best quality, if you are using an external mic, select that one. If you are using your laptop mic, it should auto detect. Click audio settings, then select your microphone like that and click OK. Also check your audio host. Usually MME works fine for Windows and Core Audio for Mac. Now let's record some audio. Simply click the big red button at the top. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Speak into your mic clearly. When you are done, click stop button. That's the square icon next to record. Like that. Now that we have recorded something, let's clean it up a bit. First of all, grab the selection tool, hit the little eye shaped cursor at the top, click and drag to highlight any part of the audio. You can cut unwanted parts by highlighting them, and and pressing delete or Control X. Just select this and click Control X. Click and drag to highlight any part of audio. If you want to zoom in for uh, finer edits, use the zoom tool in the upper right corner or click Ctrl 1 or zoom out for Ctrl 3. Now let's make it sound better with some simple effects. First of all, get rid of background noise. Highlight a section where you are not talking, just the background sound like that. Go to effects, then noise reduction. From noise removal or and repair section, then get noise profile, then select your whole track by pressing Ctrl A, go back to effects, then again noise reduction, then now click OK. Now play the audio. Next, let's balance the volume. Select all, then go to effects, then find normalize section, normalize from volume and compression section like that. Set the peak amplitude to minus 1.0 dB and click OK or apply. You can preview from here like that. Speak into your mic clearly when you are done. When you are done, click apply. That's it. Once you are happy with the recording, it's time to export. Go to File from the upper right corner, then Export Audio or Export Other. Click Export Audio, then Export to Computer, then name the file like audio 1, then choose the location, then click stereo. From here click WAV, then click export, and that's it. That's how you record and edit audio using Audacity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy guides, and comment below if you want the advanced Audacity tutorial next. Thanks for watching and happy recording.